Dreamers, doers, welcome to Tech-Novate. My name is Bismarck, and I am your host and founder of Tech-Novate. Tech-Novate is a channel and a community that I'm building that is tailored toward IoT and automation for the younger generation, younger engineers, students, hobbyists alike. It is a space, a community where young minds can come together, collaborate, talk about present problems, talk about technology, talk about IoT, and talk about future problems and solutions. IoT is a big part of our lives, from the smartphone we use, the smartwatch, the smart fridge, TV, Alexa, Google, the thermostat in our home, the lighting in our home, the security cameras. Even our cars, IoT systems in it. You know, we have IoT in healthcare, IoT in agriculture, IoT in education, IoT in pharmaceutical. So there's IoT in practically every part of the society. So let's come together and let's talk about some of them. Let's create a community for the younger generation where we can live together, grow together, and best of all, solve some problems together. Like and subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with new releases. If you have an idea you want to talk about, if you have something you want to talk about, both a collaboration, project, a tutorial, like and comment like this video.